Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, what do you do for work?
I work at a small company. I'm in the sales department.
Oh, nice. Do you like your job?
Yeah, I do. Most days, I enjoy it.
Most days?
Well, every job has a Monday.
That's true. What do you usually do at work?
I talk to customers, I answer emails, and I have meetings.
A lot of meetings?
Too many meetings.
Really?
Sometimes I have 3 meetings in one day. After the third one, my brain needs a vacation.
I know what you mean. Meetings can be tiring. What do you like most about your job?
I like talking to people. I meet different customers every day.
That's nice. Do you enjoy talking to customers?
Most of the time. Some customers are very friendly. Some are a little difficult.
That's probably true in every job.
Yeah, but I try to stay patient.
That's important. What about your coworkers? Do you get along with them?
Yes, we're pretty close. We sometimes have lunch together.
That's good. Do you have a favorite coworker?
Probably Mike. He sits next to me.
Why do you like working with Mike?
He's funny. He makes boring days more fun.
That's a good coworker to have.
Definitely. Sometimes we laugh too much.
At work?
Yes. Then our manager looks at us,
Oh, no.
and we suddenly become very serious.
I know that look.
You know the look?
Absolutely. The "are you two working" look?
Exactly.
So, what time do you usually start work?
Around 8:30.
And what time do you finish?
Around 5:30.
That's a normal work day.
Yeah, but sometimes I stay late.
Why?
When I have a lot of work. Or when I have a deadline.
Do you like working late?
Not really.
Why not?
Because when I get home, I'm completely tired.
I understand. What do you usually do when you finally get home?
I change my clothes, then I eat something, and I just relax.
That sounds like a good plan. Do you ever think about work at home?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah, work is important, but I also want a life outside work.
I agree. That's really important.
What about you? What do you like most about your job?
What do you like most about your job?
I like the people I work with. I also like helping customers.
That's nice. Do you enjoy talking to people every day?
Yeah, most of the time. I like having conversations, and I like solving small problems.
Do customers ask you the same questions?
Sometimes, I hear the same questions every day.
Does that get boring?
A little, but sometimes I get a funny question.
Like what?
One customer asked me, "Do you work here?"
Wait, really?
Yes,
But you were at work.
exactly. I was sitting at my desk.
What did you say?
I said, "Yes, I do."
That's funny.
He looked surprised.
Maybe he wasn't sure.
Maybe.
What part of your job is difficult?
Sometimes I have too much work. When everything comes at once, it can feel stressful.
What do you do then?
I make a list. I write down what I need to do. Then I do one thing at a time.
That's a good way to handle it.
It helps me stay organized.
Are you good at planning?
I'm getting better.
Getting better?
Yeah, I used to forget small things.
Like what?
Meetings, emails, sometimes people's names.
Oh, Dave.
I know.
At least you're honest.
Now I write everything down.
That's smart.
What about your job? Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I like working with people too.
What do you usually do?
I talk to people. I help with different tasks, and I spend a lot of time solving problems.
That sounds busy.
It can be. Some days are very calm, other days are really busy.
Do you like busy days?
Sometimes, a busy day can go by quickly.
That's true. Slow days feel very long.
Exactly. You look at the clock, and only 10 minutes have passed.
I hate those days.
Me too.
Do you work with a lot of people?
Yes, I have a good team.
That's important.
It really is. When your coworkers are friendly, work feels much easier.
I agree. A good team can change everything.
Definitely. We help each other when things get busy.
That's good. Do you eat lunch together?
Sometimes. It depends on the day.
What do you usually eat?
Something simple. Rice, chicken, or noodles.
Now I'm hungry.
How are you thinking about food when we're talking about work?
Food is always important.
Fair enough. What do you do when you have a really stressful day at work?
I try to finish the important things first. Then I take a short break.
Do you talk to your coworkers?
Sometimes. Sometimes just a short chat helps.
I agree. A little break can help you think better.
Exactly. And when work is finally over, I feel much better.
Me too. What do you look forward to most at the end of your workday?
Going home.
That's honest.
I like my job, but I also really like being done with work.
I understand. So, what usually happens when you have a really good day at work?
I usually feel happy. I feel like I got a lot done.
That's a good feeling. What makes a workday really good?
When everything goes smoothly, the customers are happy, and I finish my work on time.
That sounds like a perfect day.
It really does. I also like days when I learn something new.
Really? What have you learned recently?
I've learned how to handle some difficult situations better.
That's useful. Do you enjoy learning new things at work?
Yes, it can make the job more interesting.
I agree. Learning something new can make you feel confident.
Exactly. And sometimes a small success can make your whole day better.
What do you mean?
Maybe I solve a customer's problem, or I finish something that I've been working on.
Then you feel proud.
Yes, I think that's my favorite feeling at work.
I understand. It's nice to finish something and think, I did that.
Exactly. What about you? What makes you have a really good day at work?
Good communication helps. When everyone works together, things are much easier.
That's true.
I also like helping people. When someone says, thank you, it feels good.
Definitely. A simple thank you can change your mood.
Exactly. Even on a busy day.
Do you ever have a bad day at work?
Of course. Everyone does.
What makes a day difficult?
Too much work, too many problems. Sometimes people are stressed.
That can be hard.
Yes, but I try not to take every problem personally.
That's a good idea.
I remind myself, it's just a busy day. Tomorrow can be better.
I like that. Sometimes one bad day doesn't mean you have a bad job.
Exactly. You can have a difficult day and still like your work.
Do you ever talk about work after you leave?
Sometimes, but I try to stop thinking about it when I get home.
Same here. I don't want work to take up my whole evening.
What do you do to forget about work?
I change clothes, I eat dinner, then I do something relaxing.
Like watching TV?
Sometimes. Or I go for a walk.
That's a good way to separate work and home.
Yeah, once I'm home, I want to feel like the workday is finished.
I know what you mean.
Do you ever check work messages at night?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Me too. It's hard to relax when you're always checking your phone.
Exactly. Work should have a stopping point.
I agree.
what do you like most about having a job?
I like being independent. I can take care of myself.
That's important.
I also like having a routine. I know what I need to do each day.
Do you like working with the same people?
Yes, you get to know each other. You learn how people work.
And you become more comfortable.
Exactly. Sometimes you don't even need to explain everything.
That's a good team.
Yeah. Good coworkers make work better.
I completely agree.
Actually, there's one thing I really enjoy about Fridays.
What's that?
Knowing the weekend is coming.
That's probably everyone's favorite part.
Exactly.
So, what do you usually do after you finish work on Friday?
I usually go out with my friends. We might get dinner somewhere.
That sounds nice. Do you talk about work?
Sometimes, but usually we talk about other things.
That's probably better.
Yeah, Friday night is a good time to forget about work.
What do you like doing with your friends?
We get dinner, sometimes we get coffee, sometimes we just walk around and talk.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. After a busy week, I don't want anything complicated.
I know what you mean. Sometimes simple plans are best.
Exactly.
Do you think you want to stay in the same job?
For now, yes, I like my job. But I also want to keep learning.
That's a good goal.
Maybe I can take on more responsibilities later.
Would you like that?
Yes, I want to improve. I don't want to do the exact same thing forever.
I understand. It's nice to have something to work toward.
Exactly. But I also don't want to rush everything.
That's important too. You can grow slowly.
Yeah, one step at a time. What about you? Do you want to stay in your current job?
For now, yes. I enjoy what I do, and I like the people I work with.
That's a big reason to stay somewhere.
It really is. A good team makes a big difference.
Definitely.
I also like learning new things at work.
Me too. It keeps the job interesting.
Exactly. And I think it's important to enjoy your work, but also enjoy your life outside work.
I completely agree. Work is only one part of your life.
Right. You need time for family, time for friends, and time for yourself.
And time for food.
Of course. You always find a way to bring food into the conversation.
It's a talent.
I'll give you that.
I think I'm lucky to have a job I enjoy.
Me too. Not every day is perfect, but that's okay.
Yeah, some days are stressful, some days are easy.
What matters is finding something that works for you.
Exactly. And having good people around you makes work much better.
I agree.
So, Cindy, how are you feeling about work this week?
Pretty good. A little tired, but overall I'm happy.
That's good. I'm feeling the same.
Then I think we've had a good work conversation.
Yeah, and now I'm ready for Friday dinner.
I knew you'd say that.
What can I say? It's Friday.
Fair enough. Enjoy your evening, Dave.
You too, Cindy. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.